Text message reminders is a paid feature that lets you offer ticket buyers the option to receive reminders via WhatsApp or SMS about their events. If a ticket buyer opts in, they'll receive an order confirmation text immediately after purchase and an event reminder text 24 hours before the event starts. To get started, head to Settings, then go to Text Message Reminders in the left-hand side menu. Tick Enable text message reminders for ticket buyers. Set your ticket buyer fee per event, or leave it to use the default fee. Prefer to keep it free for your ticket buyers? You can always choose to absorb the cost yourself. Our handy calculator gives you a clear breakdown of what's involved, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Save. Once enabled, your ticket buyers can opt in at checkout by simply ticking the Add Text Message Reminders checkbox.